How to fix and solve too many requests on InDrive application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will see step-by-step guide to fix and solve too many requests error on the InDrive application. So without further delay, let's get started. So the too many requests error means that you have sent too many login attempts or actions, like requesting OTP repeatedly in the InDrive. So InDrive has temporarily blocked your request to prevent any spam. So if you are facing such problem, first of all, wait it out. You have to wait for at least 15 to 60 minutes. Do not keep retrying, and this is a temporary cooldown for InDrive server, so make sure that you wait it out. If that still does not help you, you could switch your internet connection. You could change from your Wi-Fi network to your mobile data. You could also try to restart your Wi-Fi router and check if that works for you or not. If not, you could head over to settings on your Android device, head over to apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right and then search for InDrive. Open it up, head over to storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. And you could also tap on clear storage and that will log you out. After that, you could try to relog in again. So tap on clear storage and reopen the application and check if that will help you solve your problem or not. If still not, give your device a simple restart. So restart your device and that may help you clear any temporary request overload and may solve your problem. If that still does not help you, make sure that you disable any VPN, turn it off and reopen the application. If still not, then you have to contact to InDrive support. You could use the in-application or support section, or you could also directly email to support@indrive.com. Make sure that you mention your phone model, number and a screenshot if possible. So that's it. That's how you can fix and solve too many requests on InDrive application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.